Hello, everybody. How are y'all doing today? I am very excited to bring to you the unboxing of Breezy 24 Goes. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. This is the box. Breezy 24 Goes. Yeah, I know it says Breezy. Alright, I made a mistake, but I like it, so we're gonna run with it. So, y'all can get over that. It's okay. It's got the logo here. Nice little pop. It's got the limited edition code right here. My bad. Got the limited edition code here. You can only get these. You shout with me. Breezy 24 goes, but Brian Hine, which is me. So we're gonna check it out. We're gonna have some fun. You wanna see what the shoes look like? We got you. Breezy 24 goes. Just did a live Facebook video. Kind of new at all this, but here they are. Where goes? You know what I'm saying? Good quality, really shiny, nice looking sole. I even got a surprise for y'all. Hold on, I'll show y'all. No, Breezy 24, we believe that your only limit is you. So every morning when you wake up and put on your shoes, remind you, you're only. Who else you know got quotes and tongues of their shoes? Come on now. These go for $179. I'll post a link to a $20 off coupon. It'll be instead of 179, it'll be 159. That's just as a thank you to everybody that's followed me, everybody that's shared, everybody that's done everything for me. So, but yeah, excited. I love them. I'm gonna post some pics on Facebook later. Go follow the Facebook page, Breezy. It's got the same logo as the YouTube channel. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Um, just let's make it go live, man. And if you want to get in on this, if you want to become a brand ambassador or something, message me. Let's see what we can work out. You know what I'm saying? You want to promote the shoes, be part of this group. Get it. Let's do this together, man. Like I always say, I'm not just somebody that buys shoes that you buy your shoes from. Somebody that you can count on. I want to be your friend. I want to be here for you. I don't want to be like a big corporation and nah, man. I'm just a small man trying to make a living. This is my ministry, helping you feel better about you. With all that being said, I love y'all. God bless y'all. See you soon.